Secondly, I've been receiving over the past 2 to 3 days emails concerning a social media post by Mr. Griffin commenting upon witnesses' testimony and quality of the investigation by the state. And it appeared on my Twitter feed this morning. Mr. Griffin, is this part of your defense strategy, or?
Your Honor, all I did was retweet an article that was published in the Washington Post. I didn't put any comment. I didn't make any statement. I just retweeted the article that's in the newspaper. That's all I did.
You know, we had an NBA player who retweeted an article, professional basketball player who retweeted an article that resulted in him being suspended from the NBA for about 10 days and cost him about $10 million in salary. So retweeting is the same as, to some, as if your tweet. It appeared, I didn't know that, well, I mean, I'm not a Twitter friend of yours, but it just appeared on my, under Twitter. First thing up this morning was you. You know, we had the lawyer who had a similar name to, a person with a similar name to our lawyer witness, and it was someone else by the same name. In your interest, your instance, it's your name and your picture. So,
Retweet the article, no question about it.
yeah, well, I've been reviewing Rule 3.6 regarding that, and whereas the rule does not specifically state that lawyers are prohibited from criticizing witnesses during the course of the trial or commenting on a case that they're actively participating in. I think it goes against the spirit of the law, of the rule, and it doesn't pass the field test. So that's, to quote Judge Kynard, it doesn't pass the field test. So you should not post or repost anything that would give me or the general public or hopefully never land in the hand of a juror who, you know, the jurors were instructed not to discuss the case, and you know, obviously that did not extend to the lawyers, but it's not a good practice, and it could easily lead to modification of our rules that might specifically address something like that. So I'll leave it at that.
I understand, Your Honor. I will not retweet anything or tweet anything until this trial is over.
Yes, sir. Anything else before the jury comes?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor. Nothing for the defense, Your Honor.
Okay, you may bring the jury.